Hello my lovely friends. Today the recipe sounds very sexy. It's the Dynamite Chicken. Dynamite Chicken is a good combination with fried rice, and I have tried it earlier and my family loved it. So I thought of sharing this after so many other recipes of chicken 65 and orange chicken. I thought of making the Dynamite Chicken once again and sharing the recipe. So for this, I have 2 pounds of chicken boneless. In this, I'm going to make a mixture to marinate it. So these are my measuring spoons, and I'm using 2 teaspoons of soy sauce to start with. For 2 pounds, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. I'll take half teaspoon of paprika powder. This is half teaspoon already. And I'll use half teaspoon of red chili powder. 2 teaspoons of oregano leaves. It's a good herb. 1 teaspoon. 2. And then I'll take the garlic powder. If you don't have the garlic powder, you can use the garlic paste. So I'm using 1 teaspoon and half. I will eyeball 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. So these are all the ingredients. We will give this marinade a mix and then taste it and then add the chicken to it. So after mixing, this is how it looks like. And in the same mixture, we just have to coat the whole chicken. Mix it evenly. The coating is evenly coated on the chicken pieces. The marination mixture looks a little dry, but believe me, it will stick on top of it. Have a look here, a close-up, that how each and every piece is coated with the marinade. Now we have to cover it and leave it aside for 30 to 45 minutes. After the chicken is marinated and kept aside, I'm going to add half cup of all-purpose flour and half cup of corn flour. Add it together. So in the same mixture of half cup each of all-purpose flour and corn flour, I have added 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and now I'm going to just mix it together and keep it for the coating. We have to later on coat the chicken pieces. Now in the third bowl, we have to get 2 egg whites, whisk them and leave them aside. You will see a tinge of some yellow color. Actually, while I was separating the egg white of 1 egg, got a little bit of yolk in it too. To make the dynamite sauce for the chicken after frying, we need mayonnaise. It's a 3/4 cup, so it's like 3 generous tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then 1 teaspoon of honey. Then we'll add 4 tablespoons of, 4 tablespoons of ketchup. 4. And if you have Siracha sauce, that's awesome. Or any chili garlic sauce will do. 3 to 4 tablespoons. I have chili garlic sauce. I'm adding this. Maybe just a little bit more. 3.5 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. We will add the measuring spoon is already half a teaspoon. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of paprika powder. If you eat less spicy or moderately spicy, you can add only 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm just going to use this spoon and eyeball. So half teaspoon of garlic powder. We are not adding any salt. Salt is in the flour mix, in the marinade, and then these sauces, they have it. And then I have this green part of the spring onion for garnishing. So this sauce, the Dynamite sauce, wow, it sounds so I shouldn't be saying it again. Again, sounds so good. And the dish turns out to be a very nice one. A great professional Dynamite Chicken dish. We don't have to cook the sauce. This sauce is just to go along with the chicken, the fried pieces of chicken. So I'm gonna keep this aside and then start frying the chicken pieces, and see you soon. So now we are ready to fry the chicken. I have experimented this for the first time with you guys, that I have added the chili garlic sauce in the marination also on top of it. I'm gonna mix it well. Exactly before frying the chicken, pick a piece of this marinated chicken, dip it, coat it evenly in this mixture of flour, dip it over here, and then again, and then on medium heat the oil is ready. So coat it, dip it, coat it again, fry. This is how it should be done, like nicely, evenly golden brown. We have to cook them through 2 to 3 minutes on both the sides. Set them aside like this on a plate with a paper towel on top of it to soak extra oil. So in this dish, which is not too deep, I'm going to assemble and place all the fried pieces into this dish. And now we are just going to pour the whole sauce on top of it. The amount of sauce in the recipe which I told should be great or enough for 1 pound of chicken. I have 2 pounds of chicken pieces, and even then I think it will be able to coat all the pieces. This is the final look. This is how it looks like. And for garnishing on top of it, sprinkle some green part of the spring onions. And if you think you need an extra kick, you can just drizzle I have this chili garlic sauce. Just drizzle this on top of it, just like this. This is how it looks like. I don't have a martini glass, but if you have it, a nice presentation is just line your martini glass with a cabbage leaf or a lettuce leaf and put 1 or 2 pieces in it. Decorate your martini glass with this, and then similarly just drizzle some chili garlic sauce on top of it. This just gives a nice presentation to it. And over here, chicken dynamite. It tastes so delicious. It tastes amazing, and give it a try. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipes and videos. If you like to make a request, please write down in the comments below or text message me if you are my close friend. I would love to make that recipe and share the video that how I make or bake that recipe or that dish. And I will definitely love to do that for you. So till next time, take care. Make this recipe, enjoy it with your family, share the recipe, the video with your friends. And till next time, stay safe and healthy and enjoy the quarantine. Love you all. Goodbye.